Alright guys, before you do your camber arms, this is a warning. Before you watch the video, make sure you're ready to install them and be nearby a mechanic shop or alignment shop just in case, because right now my tire is making bad screeching noises, and that's because I think it's either alignment or I need to get toe arms, but I don't know yet, so hopefully by tomorrow. But right now it just sounds so bad right now, guys, as you guys could hear. Alright guys, we're back at it at Izzy's today. Got Mag on his bike. I'm gonna try to install these camber arms. Try to get zero camber. Show you guys how it looks like right now.
What did you go to hold this?
But yeah, like there's vicious camber right here, as you can tell. Slanted a lot, so that's why I picked up the camber arms to get rid of that vicious camber. I'm gonna have to get some spacers later on, but yeah, I'm gonna install those today, and hopefully we got zero camber. Picked these up for 60 bucks, SPC rear camber arms for the Z34. So yeah, let's get it. Oh shit.
Imagine it's like this. The bottom of the wheel goes more in, that means it's gonna pick it up. So the shorter this is,
yeah, the
less negative camber you'll have. So this is correcting it. You feel me?
Yeah, so that's already preset then.
I'm assuming that this is preset to fix your camber right now. It's gonna give you a lot less camber, which is what you want, right? Yeah, less camber. You don't think it'll rub right here though?
I'll be straight, cause those. Yeah, I think I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, boss.
So, you're using a 19 or
17?
17 millimeter for right here in the front.
Yeah. How much are they? How much are they? I know the OEM ones or what? Or OEM? You see how it has a green mark?
Yeah.
They already set the adjustment with the fucking alignment shop.
Oh, okay.
But you're gonna have to get an alignment after anyway, you know? So
yeah.
It doesn't really matter. So we'll just pop it off. We'll put it the same way, but it's not gonna matter.
I have to show.
Yeah, let's say it's just 17s on both sides. Can I borrow this?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we might have to drop your fucking sway bar.
Oh, it's in the way of it?
Yep, it looks like it's in the way. Unless we twist it. I'll take out this side first and then see if we can twist it out of the way.
They're both 17s?
Yeah. The head and the head on both sides too. Front and back. But the one on the outer wheel doesn't have a camber plate.
Oh, okay. And
this one does. You see how it has an adjustment?
Yeah. It's
offset. And it has a mark like this. This is how it was. That's why we're gonna put it back.
Oh.
Okay, so cut it off.
There you go.
It was kind of in the way, but we remove this one first. That allows you to kind of if you don't remove this one, you're gonna have to take off the sway bar to take it off. Yeah. Because it hits right there. We go like this.
So you gotta do that one first, then, huh?
Pretty much.
Yeah. YouTube tutorials with Izzy, always helping out. Yeah.
Your brakes are looking hot, fool.
Yeah.
You're smashing or what?
Yep. Okay. Alright, so just installing it back on.
Do you see how the camera's moving?
Oh yeah, it's going.
See that?
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's because of that bolt, that washer. So right now the washer moved.
Yeah.
So you have to hold it with this side, and we're gonna push it this way so you can put the washer back.
All right.
So push the wheel.
All right. Oh, and set it down. We don't even have to.
No, we don't have to set it down.
Oh no.
You should be able to see the camber.
Oh okay.
With the wheel to work it up.
So it requires a two-man job pushing it in from here so that the bolt could.
Not really.
Nah, not
because
really.
you don't have to do that other step. I just wanted to put it back to the alignment how it was, you know.
Oh okay.
And let's say you were putting on your stock control arms.
Yeah.
To keep your stock alignment, you know. But you don't have to do that.
Sure.
Where's the wheel at?
Oh yeah.
It's like this,
Yeah,
huh?
that's why I see it.
A little tilted back in, huh?
Yeah, it looks like
That's
it's
front.
that way.
Yeah.
It looks like your toe is off, which is weird.
Yeah, definitely.
What the heck?
SPC, these are good ones though.
Yeah, that's a good brand.
I hope I don't catch on fire. This wood. My finger's gonna catch on fire. Oh fuck! Damn! I think it got it, huh? Right away. Damn.
All right, so we got the tires on. It fixed the camber, but the only thing is, the toe is sticking in more in like a V shape.
Toe in.
Toe in, yeah. So the rear is sticking out, and the front of the tire is sticking in. See, you guys can notice it right
100?
there. Huh?
100?
No, 80
80?
or 90 at least.
100.
Yes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, subscribe. All right, so we got new tires for the rear. 265, 35.
On the front one in here.
All vicious, and we're gonna try to get lineman after.
You see the band on the front? The front work?
Oh yeah. You don't want to talk about that.